Welcome to the Nordic Finance YouTube channel. Today we're going to be talking about some intense price action movement we saw in the stock BANT or BANT. Now, I know admittedly very little about this company, but it was pointed out to me by a friend of mine, and previously it was trading for just around a penny for a fair amount of time, and in this simplified Google price chart, it's hard to get a feel for the real stuff. I just, for security of my account purposes, don't really want to go into Thinkorswim or anything like that to pull up candlesticks, but you do get a feel here for what the price has been doing. Back in August, we saw it go up to 4 cents. Now, today, it was up 214%. Up here, we were actually up at, I think it was 277%. Started to trail off. Actually entered a trade around here. Exited around, let's see, it would have been, I think here. That's where the reversal started. But yeah, did pretty well. But as you can see, there's quite a bit of room to grow with this stock. Now, by no means is this a recommendation to buy, but it is certainly interesting, and it is something that is on my radar, as you don't see these types of numbers very frequently. I think the last times I saw big moves like this was in Aurora Cannabis, and what was the other one? Kodak was the other one. Played both of those really big run-ups. You want to get in and get out on stuff like that. It's really risky. And for tomorrow, I'm looking to enter in a fairly large position to hold for a fair amount of time. But investing without knowing a lot about the company is never recommended. So of course I'm going to be doing a fair amount of research over the next couple days to see how favorable the position actually is, and from there I'll start adding to it. But with these crazy run-ups, you always have to be careful, but there is some money to be made. But I always treat this type of stuff a little bit more along the lines of betting as opposed to proper investing. Don't get me wrong, there will be technical analysis involved, and I'll be doing my due diligence, but like I said, these plays are so speculative, it's hard to call it proper investing. It's really just speculation. But yeah, even if it trailed back to back to 2018 prices, that would be fairly good for people who picked up 20, 30, 50,000 shares when it was only a penny each. So pretty interesting stuff. It's definitely on my watch list. Again, this is not financial advice to purchase this stock. It's just a bit of a call out as something that has been brought to my attention and I thought might be of interest to the rest of you. And I'm sure some people saw this today and was wondering what was happening, and I did too, and I have no idea why it went up like this. And I'll be doing further research and releasing a follow-up video, but from here I just wanted to get this out there to kind of let my viewers know that I will be following this crazy run if it does indeed go back to any type of previous resistance zones. That'd be pretty crazy. But yeah, so coverage of BANT Inc. is going to be starting today after this crazy 200% run. Again, 277% at the high. So if you found this useful, please like, comment, subscribe, boost it for the algorithm so more people see this. The more people that see this, the more information that'll be going around about BANT Inc. We can kind of, as a community, get to the bottom of why this pump happened, how to play it in the future, how it'll benefit all of us. So yeah, liking and all of that algorithm boosting activity does a lot more than just helping me and you. It helps all of our future community members and all of our future investors. So please keep that in mind. And yeah, this has been a pretty crazy trading day. I'm really happy for everyone that made a good amount of money in that run up, and I just hope that people that entered on the run up here understand the time horizon of their investment. Investing in all-time highs, there's risk involved, but if you're going to hold it for a fair amount of time, there's still money to be made. We're still very far from all-time highs, obviously. So yeah, if you found this helpful, please boost it for the algorithm, and coverage for BANT Inc will be starting. So take care, everyone.